My mental preparation, I guess, is just getting everything ready. Getting all my gear ready is almost therapeutic for me. The physical preparation for, you know, any of these swells for me personally starts way before winter. Tons of time in the gym, tons of breath holds, tons of cycling, tons of working out whatever lingering injuries you have or, you know, might come across once the waves start coming, and just kind of working out all the kinks and getting fit. Yeah, before the contest, I definitely wanted to win, and that was a goal of mine. But I think more importantly, my initial focus was just like trying to have a good heat and try to find 2 good waves. Keep it as simple as I could. That semi-final got that good wave, which was a 10-point wave. First see the wave stand up, and it like filled up the horizon and looked bigger than the 2 sets that had come in previously. That thing stood up and had a really big wall, and as soon as I committed to it, I remember just trying to get on my inside rail and just digging the toes into my wax and trying to project and drive down the line as fast as I could. And as I was doing that, I could see the wall starting to load up on the reef more and more and more. And it looked like I was gonna be really, really deep, but if I tried to time my pump up into the barrel, it might be right when it breathes open. And so the whole time I was trying to project as fast as I could on my inside rail. I was trying to read the wave and figure out just a little millisecond of timing of when I could get in the barrel. And then as soon as I got into the barrel, I think what was so unique about that for me is it felt like the wave sped up again. Like, I thought I was going as fast as I could possibly be going once I pulled up into it, and then the wave started to like shovel and run down the line, and that made me have to adjust subtly in the barrel with a couple pumps and body positions to keep my board high enough in the barrel. And that's like everything just kind of, time just stopped right there for me. And I was so intently focused on, I think, what was under my feet and what was 2 feet in front of me, that everything was just silent. And I feel like a lot of times for me, riding big waves, it's really, really quiet when you're actually on the wave. And I don't know what that's a testament to, but that wave in particular just felt a lot different than any wave I've ever ridden. I feel like a lot of bad days and good days and big waves all kind of coming to one place there. And then, you know, another facet was being able to have everything come together in the contest at home. That was pretty unique for me to be able to, you know, do that at home and then have a fun night with all my friends and family.
Ian Walsh, please come up here. One of the best waves ever ridden. Certainly big candidates for Round of the Year.